Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by preparing, backup documents and a system image because a reset deletes apps and settings. Once done, log out of accounts and note product keys. This prevents activation headaches later. Make sure to unplug printers and external drives that you won't need. Now open Settings, go to Update and Security, then Recovery. Choose Reset this PC and pick whether to keep files or remove everything. You will be prompted to confirm, so read each option before proceeding. You proceed with the chosen reset type. Pick Keep My Files if you need documents preserved, otherwise remove everything for a fresh system. Once selected, decide between Cloud Download and Local Reinstall. Cloud fetches the latest image, local uses existing files on disk. Cloud may take longer but gives newer updates. Confirm what apps and drivers will be removed, check storage and power connection, and then initiate the reset. The PC will restart multiple times. You finish by completing Windows setup. Create your user, sign in, and reinstall necessary applications. Once logged in, run Windows Update and check device drivers so hardware functions correctly. This also resolves many post-reset quirks. Restore your backed up files from the external drive or cloud, and verify activation and privacy settings. If the reset fails or the PC gets stuck, boot to recovery media or a USB installer. Then run Startup Repair or use your system image to restore. This often results.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.